Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be doing a curvy nail set, um, Supreme Louis Vuitton inspired. These are nail tips I picked up at my local nail supply store. I think they were like $1.99 for the whole pack. And I know if you don't have a local beauty supply store in your area, you can go on Amazon and just type in curvy nails, and you should be able to find those on Amazon as well. So I'm not really going to talk too much in this video. We're going to go ahead and jump right into my application. And I'm just using clear acrylic to build up my nails. For the simple fact, I am going in with mostly gel polish. So I'm going to let you guys watch my application, and then I'll be right back in. So for my previous video, I still haven't received a nail budget yet. So if you guys want to leave me a budget, again, it cannot be anything over $100, and let me know what you want to, what my budget to be for this month. Go ahead and leave that in the comment section. And again, I will give you a shout out in my next video and take you shopping with me as well. So we're going to go ahead and finish up application. I'm on my last nail. Wet application, I don't really have a method. I do try to stick with at least the 2-bead method. So that way my nails aren't super thick because I don't like them really thick. So I do try to at least stick with the 2-bead method, and the most I will do is a 3-bead if I can't get my apex in. Y'all, do y'all remember when curved nails was a thing? Like, I vividly remember going to the nail salon with my mom, and she used to get the extra long click-clacks like they have now, but they were curved. So I really do remember that. And then even with the singing group SWV, Coco, how she used to have her long nails, I think hers are always red. I've never really seen her with any other color but red when she had the long curvy nails. And with their curved nails, it seems like that is like when your natural nails grow out, and I understand how they have them now, because when your natural nails do grow out that long, they do kind of curve a little bit. So I actually get the design of them and how they were made. They were made to actually show how your natural nails would possibly grow out if you let your nails grow out. So that was kind of interesting once I realized like why they had the nails like that and why they were curved. Now this is the part where I had issues with curved nails. I honestly did not know how to file them at all. I did try to go in with a 80 grit hand file to try to shape them up a little bit, and I did struggle a lot with that. So I would say for curved nails, your best bet is to go ahead and use your e-file. Excuse me. Use a 80 grit sanding band to do your shaping, and right now I'm just sealing in my cuticles, and then you will see me go in with my safety bit and switching from bands. And my last band that I have on is going to be the 80 grit band, so I can go ahead and shape up my nails. Yeah, I literally thought I was recording when I was painting my nails, and I do apologize. I did not get that on camera. So right now I am showing you for my blue jean nail set. I did go in with a sheer nude base to go under it because you're supposed to kind of like carve it out so it could look like denim blue jean. And even in this step, that's when I realized I'm effed up. I actually ended up painting over my nail with the blue, and then I went ahead and cured when I was not supposed to. I was supposed to actually go in and wipe out that layer so I can get that look that I was looking for, like on my thumb. But we did mess up. It happened. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and start using a sponge. And I'm loading up my brush with a darker blue and then some white so I can get the effect that you need. You can do this over and over until you get your desired effect, and then cure on your lamp for 60 seconds. So right now I'm just going in and dabbing in and getting the desired effect that I want with the sponge. And then before I cure my lip, I am going to go ahead and clean out my nails. And then go ahead and cure for 60 seconds in the lamp. And so like I said, I think I did my sponge like once or twice until I was happy with the end result of my nail. So I'm going to let you know what's going on with my Etsy store. It's still up and running. I have a link for you and everything that I use in the description box. There will also be a link for my Etsy store as well as a discount code for my subscribers if they want to shop on my Etsy store. Again, my Etsy store is very affordable. I have pretty much solid colored looks. I do have some spring looks that I'm working on right now. I think I have 2 up at the moment. So you guys can check those out. They're a little bit more intricate and custom nail set. I do not have custom sets available at the moment. I am still working on trying to get my kit together for sizing, as well as getting my logo on my packaging as well. So it's still in the works, but you all guys are able to go on my Etsy store and just purchase simple gel polish sets that range from $20 to $30. So right now we're going to be stamping. These are nail stamping plates that I purchased from, I cannot remember the name of it, but I have a link for you down below where I purchased my nail stamping plates. They are still an active site. I think when I first discovered them, it was off of Family Beauty page, and I wanted to check to see if the site was still active, and it is very much active to this day. Even now that I've purchased from them, like I will still get like updates about the new stamping plates that they have available in their store. So I have a link for you guys down below for that, so you can look and see if you're looking for designer nail stamping plates. You are able to go to that store and purchase some. They do come from Mexico, so you do have to worry. Shipping does take a while, but it's not too bad. So I'm going to go ahead and stamp. With the images, I was going to do the white. I thought I have some Supreme stickers I haven't used, but the only issue was I didn't have them in white, so I had to go ahead and use my stamping plates for that. So that's what you're seeing. That's what you just watched now. And so right now I'm just going to finish off my detail and just outline and give some more definition to my blue jean nail, which was on my thumb. It was supposed to be on my pinky, but like I said, I did end up messing that up. So we had to work away around that one. And this is the result. Let me know what you think in the comment. Do you like this look? Is it something that you wear? Not a fan of curvy nails. I do remember when they were out. Would I wear them again? Possibly not. Like I said, I did struggle with the shaping. Anyway, love you guys. Be kind to each other. And I will see you on my next one. Hi you guys, so in this one I am going to show you guys really quick how to use your Kim's personal nails. This is again available on my Etsy shop. In the video itself I will have a link for everything down below, including a link to my Etsy shop and then also a discount code for you guys. So those are just some of the recent looks I do have that are available. Some of them are new. And then this is everything that you get in the kit as well. You do receive a prep kit with 2 alcohol pads, nail tabs, nail glue, buffer, file, toothpick, and instructions on how to apply and prep. You also receive 2 free gifts. You receive a cuticle nipper and cuticle oil. Those are 2 free gifts that you receive in each order. And then I'm going to show you really quick how you apply the personal nails. Now, because I do videos, I didn't go ahead and do my normal prep. If you want a normal prep, you would have to push down your cuticles and remove the shine off your nails, and then use one of the alcohol wipes to remove any residue and dust off your nails, as well as dehydrate. And then at that point, you can either decide to use the nail tabs or you could use the nail glue. My preference is the nail glue. This set is an extra large. Extra large can fit anybody. My sizes are universal. Typically for personal nails, I know I'm a size 4 for most of my fingers. And then my thumb is always a size 0. So for me, I could fit an extra large. If you don't know your size, most adults can fit an extra large, between an extra large and a large. So if you don't know your size, I would say just go ahead and go through a large. It'll fit a little bit big, but you could always file around the cuticle area to get them to fit right. And then at the same time, my nails are very affordable. Again, my nails range from $25 to $30, depending on the length. Basic colors, I do have some sets where I do a design, easy design 10-piece set. I will do more upon availability if you guys are looking for that. At the moment, at this time, I do not have a way to do custom orders, but at some point I will have that available, so that way you guys are able to do custom orders as well. So anyway, let me know what you guys like. If you like this product, in the comment section. If you've purchased anything from me, let me know how shipping went. So I do want to try to push my product out more through my YouTube channel.